Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a ring toss game with materials from your home. So one of the main parts for the ring toss game is using a recycled paper towel roll. So there's no more paper on it, as you can see, it's just the roll. I'm going to be needing some scissors, tape, or hot glue gun if you have one, and maybe some markers, and you're gonna need some paper plates because they are going to be your rings when you toss for the game. Okay, so first I would like to show you the rings I have already made. I basically cut the inner circle here of the plate and then I kind of colored them in. So that's something you could do. When I cut my paper plate, I folded it in half and then I just started cutting. And just open it back up and you have your ring. And now you could go ahead and use those markers and color them in. Or I even have a few stickers. You can use stickers to decorate your rings, or you can use the stickers to decorate your paper towel roll. Okay, so now that you saw how we make the rings, we're gonna go ahead and start with the paper towel roll. You're gonna cut part of the end here. We're gonna make these little tabs. I'm gonna use this side because this side seems to be a little more bent. So you're gonna cut little tabs about an inch or less than an inch. Okay. Now that I have these little tabs, I'm gonna fold them. Awesome. So when you place your ring toss, you can use a cardboard box or place it on the floor. If you're using a cardboard box, that's what the hot glue gun is for. You can hot glue these tabs onto the box. But if you don't have a box, then that's why I'm using tape, so I can tape it down to the surface or the floor that I'm going to be using. So okay, so I set up my paper towel roll on a beach bucket and I use the tape to tape it down onto the surface. You could use like an old shoebox or just the floor itself, or like I said, an empty cardboard box. So I'm gonna throw my rings to see if I can get it. Well, as you can see, it takes a lot of practice, but I hope you guys have fun.